Alright, so what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make any custom background in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm just going to make a new file here, and it's pretty easy. So I'm going to call this YouTube demonstration. And also, guys, there are a lot other type of ways to do this, but this is just a quick how to, custom background. So if you guys didn't know, you can kind of tell by my channel theme. My favorite color is baby blue or any type of neon blue. So I'll change this over here on the right side to right there. All right, that's baby blue. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to layer, you're gonna go to new fill layer, and then so you have solid color. Let's just call this color fill 1. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. You have to change the this one to baby blue as well. Okay, so let's try that again. Solid color. Alright, so as you guys can see, that's the solid color of baby blue. So if you want to change that or make it anything like cool, it already has these cool background things for you. So I can hit gradient fill 1, and it'll give me something like this. If you guys have noticed, this is the background for my new channel logo. So if you guys were wondering how I did that, that's exactly how I did that. You have some options in here, but you also have the scale here. It'll adjust the amount of like gradients there is in the picture, so you can change it there. And there's one last thing, there's another third option. So do the same thing, new fill layer, there's pattern. This is personally one of my favorite ones, but it was a little too crazy for the YouTube logo thing. I originally was going to make this my background, but once again, guys, I can show you. So once again, go to pattern. All right, so in scale, this is where you can change, how much there is of the picture. So that's one tutorial. There's a lot other things you can do in the background, but that is it for now, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.